There are many other things you can do with a VPN. Some of them you shouldn't be doing with a VPN because it got some hackers that are using VPNs to hide themselves. But they don't use one VPN, they use many, so that when you go try to find them, you'll be bounced all over the world.
So what browser are you going to use for that?
Now, there's one other browser we haven't talked about it, and we're not going to go into in this, but Avast just released the Avast Secure browser, and that also has lots and lots of security features in it. But that's a presentation all by itself.
Is the Avast VPN something separate you can use if you're using another antivirus?
Yes, you can. It's a separate product. You can purchase it just on its own without having to use Avast.